When will Amma come?
It's been 3 days since Amma left. When will she return?
Don't worry, she'll come soon. Till then, enjoy your favorite pakoras.
Oh, these pakoras are tasteless. Amma doesn't make them like this.
And not only that, Amma also tells us stories after we have finished eating.
But how do I call your Amma right now?
Don't worry, children.
Amma!
Wait. Everyone sit down. Chiru, sit there.
Okay.
Babu, go and sit on the chair.
But you yourself said that this chair is weak.
No excuses. You want to listen to the story, right? Go and sit on the chair.
Yes.
Babu, are you hurt?
No, I am all right. Nani, you?
Babu, I hope you're not hurt.
You let me down.
Yes. That is why I always say that you should never ever trust anyone blindly.
Amma!
This is for all of you.
It's good that you came, or else they would have made me do Bharatnatyam, especially to recite a story. Now that I have heard their demand for its story time with Sudha Amma so many times that even I am curious to see how you tell them these stories.
I've already got the subject of the story from Nooni.
Amma, please tell the story now.
But Amma has just returned from a trip. I think she should rest for some time.
We will definitely listen to her story tonight.
Yes, of course. Why not?
Yay!
Fresh vegetables! Buy Farm Fresh, better than the rest. Discounted rates are their best vegetables.
Wait, Uncle. Amma is coming to buy some.
Here comes Gopi to have fun with the vegetable vendor.
Yes, my dear, what would you like to have? Hey, take it easy, Gopi.
Oh, calm down, Gopi. Why are you running after me? Leave me alone!
Saved by a whisker.
Let's see what all is available today.
Red tomatoes, rosy carrots, leafy green spinach, and all-purple brinjals. I have everything here, Amma, except me.
Oh, what are you doing on the tree?
It's not by choice, Amma. Gopi chased me up the tree. He forced me to climb it.
No, Gopi.
Wow, Amma. It feels so good, Amma. Huh? Amma, firefly.
Huh?
That is not a firefly, but a Sirius star, which is also known as dog star, you know?
Amma, how do you know about the stars?
Because Amma knows everything. Isn't it, Amma?
That's not true. I won't say that. Or else my situation will be similar to King Vidyadhar's. Children, I will tell you today's story in the evening. I promise.
All right, Amma. We will wait until evening. But you must keep your promise in the evening.
Don't worry. I won't do anything like King Vidyadhar, who started backing off after making a promise.
What promise did Raja Vidyadhar make? Amma, please tell us. We won't be able to wait until evening now, Amma.
All right, all right.
Amma, I don't want to play with Babu anymore.
Me neither.
Who says I want to play either?
Well, that's strange. What happened to you, my dear little children? Why don't you want to play together today?
Babu keeps going on and on about everything. He claims he can score 200 goals in a minute.
200? When did I say that?
Oh, you said that in 1 minute? You can score as many goals as we tell you to, didn't you?
Really? Since when does that mean 200? It's your calculation that's wrong.
But you started it, right?
Oh, this is exactly how misunderstandings happen. Now it's perfectly all right that you kids don't want to play together. Here's some banana shake for my children.
Huh?
Hey, what happened to my children?
We are very upset with you. But why should we take it out on banana shake?
Babu?
Okay, fine. But I came here to solve the problems of my children. What do you people say? Story time with
Sudhamma?
Yes. It's smelling so good.
Yay!
Amma, how long will it take to prepare the paisam?
Just a few minutes, children.
Okay, Amma. Chiru, catch!
Amma!
Run!
Amma! Save us! Save us! Amma! The honeybees have attacked us! They will sting us!
Honeybees. Now see the magic of these campers.
Yay! The honeybees are gone!
That's okay. But tell me one thing. Who invited the honeybees here?
That's him!
Sudha? Sudha! Come out quickly.
Who's there? Huh? Oh, Ratna. So many books. Since when did you become so fond of reading?
Oh, these are not for me. They are for the children. You have been searching for these books for the children for the past few days, haven't you?
Yes, but why did you take the trouble? I could have asked someone else.
Why someone else? I went to the city, so I brought them. Oh, come on, children, help me.
These books are quite heavy, Grandma. Didn't you have any difficulty bringing them alone?
Difficulty? Son, Sudha is my friend, that too since childhood. And there isn't any harm in helping a friend, right?
Wow! If there's friendship, it should be like Sudhamma and Ratna auntie. Absolutely strong and honest. I'll show you magic today.
Yay!
And my partner will be Gopi! Gopi? Isn't that right, Gopi? Abracadabra. Abracadabra. Gopi turned into a ball.
Gopi turned into a football?
Yes.
Amma! Amma! Look what Noni did to Gopi with her magic!
Gopi?
Yes!
Wait, I'll show you magic. It's treat time. Here comes Gopi.
Gopi!
I could not resist the food.
What did you think? That I really turned Gopi into a ball? If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.